Hi, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let me introduce myself to start with. I've been an esthetician and electrolysis mesotherapist for the past 20 years now, and I'm a former international teacher in the field. I've taught in places like Las Vegas, London, Saudi Arabia, China, Toronto, and New York. Had 3 businesses, won the Entrepreneur of the Year, wrote articles, and had my own school, and have my own skincare and cosmetic line. Always wanted to be an esthetician, or you're a lover of skincare and beauty? If making people or yourself happy is the one thing your goal, this is where you learn and develop skills. I will show you all my knowledge and all for free. All you've got to do is join the journey and subscribe today to the YouTube channel before viewing this video so you don't miss out on any next one. Okay, just a few steps for fuller and bigger lips. But first, you need a contour pencil for your lips that is almost the same color as your lips. So I'm gonna take this one, the SATIN one by Cinthia Cosmetics. And what we start off with is the corners of the upper lip. So you wanna draw the line of the lip and just a little bit overdraw it. And after doing the 2 corners, then you want to do the cupid bow. So you're going to overline your lips for that cupid bow and join the 2 other lines. So progressively, you're starting to see a difference. After this, we're going to do the bottom lip. So the bottom lip, you have to take your pencil just a little more different. You're going to want to put it upwards. And with your pinky finger on your chin, you're going to get a steady hand and you're going to do the corners of the lip. So here we go. We do the other corner, little pinky to get a steady hand. And you're overlining your lips, right? And after that, you want to take your pencil downwards to do the bottom lip. Now, like a drawing, you're going to want to fill out those lips so it looks really natural. So this line that you just made is part of your lips. So that's why we were using a pencil that is close to the color of your own lips. So we're just going to color in above and below the lips and make sure you got that pencil at the right angle. Now after filling in those lips, now we're going to take the crayon to do the contour of your lips, which is a different color. I'm using a pinkish color, and now we're going to do the opposite of what we did with the other pencil. We're going to do the cupid bow first, and then we're just going to align it with the corners. We're going on the line. We're not overlining your lips like we did with the first crayon. Now we're going to finish this second step by doing, of course, the bottom line. And like the top lip, we're going to do the center first, and then we're going to do the corners. And remember that pinky finger, you want to get your hand stable. Here we go. And after that, we're going to use this little brush to put on your favorite lipstick. That it goes well with the crayon you just put on. And you want to fill those lips in. And a little trick, if you wanted to maximize the effect, you need a light color for your lipstick. And you could put lip gloss over it after if you want. Now, after filling the bottom lips, you want to take your brush at the flat surface so you can really reach these corners. So these were my 3 simple steps for bigger and fuller lips. I hope you like it, and I see you next time.